reflects the look of this year's Manning Cup final. Two non-traditional schools in Mona High and Hydale High, guaranteeing a first-time champion of urban area schoolboy football. Now, as to whether Hydale or Mona will win the title, your guess is as good as mine. And the Maverick don't guess football. The season so far, though, been really impressed by the quality and organization of the teams, especially from the quarterfinal round. The fact that the three preseason top favorites, Jamaica College, St. Andrew Technical, and St. George's College, only Georges got to the semis. They were all beaten and eliminated by better teams who deserve to be where they are. Right now, the best of those better teams are the only ones left standing, as Mona High and Hydale are in control of the Manning Cup spotlight for this year, with the big names playing for the consolation prizes. To be honest, I don't want any of these two schools and these two coaches, Craig Butler from Mona and Devon Anderson from Hydale. I don't want none of them to lose. So it's in this final year, more on the two school them and the two coach them for win. You know?